Looking cool, leg man.
Don't start that again. I thought we were done with that.
It never finished.
It had finished.
No, it hadn't.
It had. You got over it for a while.
I'm staying out of it.
You got over it for a while, and I thought it was done.
Got over what?
You being a bully.
You being an eggman. Good morning, welcome to today's video. I'm here with Jimmy and Emily. We're riding out into Kent, which is a place I don't think I've ever ridden not in a race. It took me about an hour and a half to get to the meeting place again, and it was flipping hilly. Free mattress.
Go for a little sleep. Sleepy, sleepy. We haven't done very much elevation, and there's supposed to be a fair bit on this route. So he's got to come from somewhere.
Meters?
Well, the route's like 1,100 meters. We've done 400, and we need to make up the rest in about the next 30k. Where is it?
The Kent Mountain, obviously.
Kent Mountain.
You seen that?
Is that not? What?
You seen that?
This.
Yeah, look. 31%. Probably the healthiest food I've ever had at a cafe stop.
It's crazy. This is interesting.
That just looks weird.
I wonder if it's got like a secret note inside.
What would it say? Don't eat me, don't eat me.
I don't think eating this mid-ride would be a good idea.
Go on, down in one.
No, you do it.
What, eat that whole thing?
Yeah, go on.
I'll do it.
Go on.
No, you would not.
I don't know the science of chilies, but it's big, so it's probably not as spicy.
Yeah.
You might be right. And the rest, just in case that bit's too hot.
It's fucking spicy. That was quite spicy.
He asked them for milk and they said no.
That's not true. Oh, it's not, it's wet. Is it cold?
Freezing.
How strange, people are just like walking through the river like it's like a path, like it's not wet. This guy is just on his way to like buy the newspaper and it's just like na, 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 na. Your anchor tattoo, I quite like it. The placement is unorthodox. I was in a band. On the subject of bands, now we're in that room.
Tattoo that says forever.
And always on that one. Weirdly, one of the traditions before gigs that we used to play was our lead guitarist Chud, who won't be watching this video. He used to draw an anchor on my arm before every gig, just in a biro. The deal was that if we got made it big time, I was going to get tattooed. I never got it tattooed.
Never made it big.
We didn't make it.
Hey, there's always another chance.
Okay, we have on the actual route about another 60 k's and 1 billion meters of climbing. For my route home, it's like another 100 k's or something.
Another 100,000 k's on top of the 60. Ice cream, please. False advertising. So now we're just heading back into London. Not sure where all the elevation went. Still looking for this mountain, Ken's Mountain. Can confirm eating a chili halfway through a bike ride, bad idea. See this pub here?
Yeah.
I sat on a bench by here. I was telling Emily the story earlier. She was like, really? I sat on a bench here after the first ever triathlon I did.
Wow.
I scared everyone away, no one came back and they had to shut down. A double espresso protein bar. It literally tastes like they've ground up coffee and just put it straight into a bar.
You know, like if you're making
just version of chili.
Run it through and then they knock it out.
The little the biscuit,
yeah,
the coffee biscuit.
Yeah, it's like they've knocked it out, put in some whey protein and then like pounded it into a shake.
The byproduct of the coffee industry, isn't it?
No, it's not soy.
Hey, well that's good though. That's good then.
Recycling.
Yeah, they're reusing stuff.
It's hemp protein and coffee beans, which just makes like dust.
It's like a space cake equivalent of a coffee bar. Well, in space cake you put like raw ganja.
How do you know how to make a space cake, Jimmy?
My previous life as a musician.
What? It's not a selfie at all. People are probably looking at us thinking, what are those guys doing? I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. I'm gonna go and find Levi, but you want to send Levi a message, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
I'll play it to him.
Okay.
Yeah?
I understand that Levi hates this.
Yeah.
And it's something that you and I and Chris and George, you know, a load of us, we do it
All the
great
time.
affection all the time.
Yeah.
So specifically for Levi, this is Levi. This is for you.
How do you make it stop? I fucking hate all of you. $3,000.
You got the most expensive bikes?
The frame set is $31,000.
That crank retails
What?
at like, what does that crank
Yeah.
retail at? You work for them. Like 17?
I actually don't know. I'll just do photos, mate.
Speak to the sales team.
You know, I hear it's a very good price for a track power meter.
Very, very competitive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, I didn't pay $3,000 for it. Because like,
You
mad.
said 31,000
Yeah, I didn't pay that
pennies.
much for it.
I heard it was 18.
Dimes.
Don't scratch the really expensive bikes.
Which one's the really expensive one?
My one. Oh shit.
How's your mild curry?
It's still warm. Spicy?
What was it? Sri Lanka? Was it Sri Lanka? I did look.
I don't know.
It was definitely of origin that mild is still pretty hot, I think.
I dread to think what the hot would be. I might be dead if I had the hot one. Where's he going?
It'd be great content though, wouldn't it? He moved one step without us noticing.
Question is, Francis's followers, subscribers, is which fixed gear is nicer? What are you looking at?
You got a third nipple.
I was like, what are you looking at? Which fixed gear is nicer? Dan's red standard is red, right? Or my beautiful, outrageously pretty little wing?
Do a cinematic now and let the viewers decide. And then they've got to put it in the comments.
Oh, you're doing it.
Go. So yeah, like we said, put in the comments which bike's better.
It's mine.
What does the winner win?
I don't even
Chicken
subscribe.
dinner? The
Vegan
winner always
chicken?
win chicken dinner.
Vegan chicken dinner.
No, because what would that just...
20 vegan chicken nuggets.
Just not gonna put it in.
Tofu dinner.
Winner, tofu dinner. Doesn't quite have the same ring
Doesn't
to
roll
it.
off the tongue quite the same.
Winner, tasteless dinner.
Tofu has a taste.
I actually really like tofu.
Tastes like
Talking
cardboard.
about katsu curry, wasabi's tofu curry is actually really delicious. I forgot you even
Forgot
had
I owned
that.
it, bruv. You've got some plastic on your arm, mate. I know. Lunch.
There is a dude with a fucking Union Jack on the spinny thing. What? A wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
You've changed it. I'm sure you change it every time.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing man tube.
Yep, changed it. Man tube. That's just another
You've
word
just
for
got to be
penis.
confident.
Look at my man tube. I mean, if you...
Vegan phone.
Yeah.
Eat it then.
Oh, look, Dan's doing it now.
This is very well kept grass.
Yeah, we should stop ripping it up.
What are you doing?
Bravo roll.
What?
B-roll.
Oh.
Source and backpack behind you. Look at it. Cheese. That's a shiny backpack. That's a shiny. Should come with a health and safety warning. Goodbye. See you later, man.
Baby, why you look surprised? You see it in my eyes. You know we on the rise.
I'm doing 300 miles in September for cancer research. So I'm riding every day, or trying to ride every day.
And you've already won the polka dot jersey, which means you're king of the mountain.
Barney, what's that? I can't use my words.
Barney's in my shot.
Oh, he just wants a hug, look.
So Daisy, why have you chosen cancer research as your charity to raise money for?
It's, well, as of recent, a charity that's close to my heart. In December, I lost my cousin to brain cancer, and a couple of weeks back, my uncle passed away and he had liver cancer. So for me, it's more raising awareness and hoping that I can stop it from happening to others again, because you always think that you're going to get cancer at some point in your life or experience it with somebody else, but I wouldn't really want to happen again. So yeah, that's that's why.
People can read a little bit more in the link down below.
Yeah. Please donate some money to me. He's knocking a shot out of the way. Oh, is that nice?
Why is he purring? Isn't that supposed to be a cat thing?